currently?
Kazini. Umuntu awulaki.
Bingibani side chick?
Hayi cause enyani.
Side chick ulo uthando.
Uyavuma ngoku. Uzobuya uze pha ekhaya uzozama andifuni ne. Ucela ntoni?
Ngiphi phone?
Ucela ntoni? Thatha ifoni yakho.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the Hitania Fix, I Destroy, I Neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Shut up, Dlamini.
Okay. Ugqoke nje DJ kodwa namhlanje.
But you need to look at my face, not my boobs. When I look at my face when I talk to you. Don't look at other things. Hi guys. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Are you guys a couple?
Yeah.
My name is Lisa, from CMTV. I go around asking couples just a couple of questions. Basically like a couples quiz. Would you guys be willing?
Yeah.
You would?
Good. Yeah, I don't have a problem.
Okay, sir?
Yeah, ngiyavuma nami sine anything.
Anything for your woman? Come closer for me, please. Nia Paxson.
Just take a walk with you, ABC.
Exeni. Girl, on my left, sir.
Okay.
Okay, name?
Sisipo.
Sisipo and?
Lucky.
Lucky, how long have you been with Sisipo?
3 years.
3 years. Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay.
Going strong.
Okay, would you agree, girl?
Yeah, it's going smooth actually.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So in the 3 years, no suspicions?
So far,
In 3 years?
Obviously we've had up and downs.
Yeah.
There and there, got right.
What do the downs include? Sorry for being nosy.
Sometimes, being too much on the phone, I don't get attention, stuff like that. And then they were suspicious with that. But then again, I'm like,
it's not that deep.
It's not that deep.
Your phone addiction. What are you doing on your phone, sir?
I'm always here on my app. Yeah, I'm doing some cash nyana.
Oh, okay. And you have to make some cash.
Yeah.
Because girls like money. Are you Kosa?
Yeah.
No. She had to be. Why are you Kosa? I can love money. I'm Kosa. I can love money for the both of us. For the whole Kosa nation. You know the stereotype that Kosa girls like money.
Yeah.
Now why do you have to be Kosa?
I don't know. It's just a coincidence, I guess. Don't you have money?
I love money.
Obviously.
I can't breathe without money.
Exactly.
I'm a gold digger.
You're a gold digger.
Yes.
Okay.
A big one.
I guess.
So at least you're better than me.
Do not. I'm laughing.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, my Scott, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
Since I've seen I've been suspicious actually. Again, I'm suspicious because kukhona futhi ngalamini I like you be too much phone. Then after that ndiyambuza bana like kutheni ubusy phone don't uyenza yini ngakho, and then yena athi no ndithetha namajita we planning bana siphume nto and I'm like, oh okay, it's fine, ungahamba. I wanted to go that evening. So I'm like, okay, it's fine, ungahamba. Then wahamba mosini. But then amajita wakhe eza amaninzi ezobuza ba like uphulakhe no. So I'm like hayibo mosulakhe uthe uphuma nani. So then wathi yena xa ke buyayo the following day wathi into bana no ngabanye wara. So his story didn't add up. Yabo
kusabantu wewanda bekhuluma ngayo.
And it's ngamajita that you know.
Yes.
Awubaza abanye.
Aba bebezile besithi bazomfuna ngabantu baqhelileyo vele. Ngaba vele bengicinga fana ba uhambe nawo.
Yes.
But then yena athi hayi no unabanye abangani wara.
Abangani ubafumana phi na like?
Abangani labo yilabo bengithi sodlala nabo ibhola yilabo ngijima nabo ebholweni le.
So it's not the same ones as your regular friends. Itsho zasebutshwaleni.
Sotshwaleni ngezasekhaya zifana.
I get you. I understand.
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't trust him much, and then when on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust her?
I'm not
Rate her for me out of 10.
10%.
Really? 100%. So 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Hey, like, no, you're not leaving space for disappointment at least. Yes. Okay, guys, let me actually get to the point. What we do on the show, we make couples switch phones, okay? You guys switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps just to check whether or not you're cheating on each other. Yeah, Tata Zela, what's wrong, like it?
Next, I'm Tata Zela next.
So, are you okay with it?
You change my phone? Change
Huh?
Change in.
You change my phone to check if you guys are not cheating on each other.
Why it's not change my phone?
You don't mind?
It's not change my phone.
Okay, the phone can give your phone.
No, my phone.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay, where's your phone, nice guts?
Like then.
Yeah. Okay. Put yours in your pocket and then password my skirt. Just open it for me. Okay. Okay. Okay, go to her WhatsApp, ne? Okay, search there. Type love you. Does she type in is it Xhosa or just English?
English.
Okay. Love you.
I'd really want to love you.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Miss you? Yeah. Like very next.
Okay, girl. Delete that. Type babe.
Like very next.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type last night.
Last night.
Okay, nothing to okay, delete that. Yes, delete the chat is done.
No, not at all. We are yet. I'm sure. Because that's the only person.
Don't let it close my skirt. Okay, delete that. Fine. See, I believe.
Delete it.
Type outside. Let's see who's fetching a woman.
I'm feeling next.
Hey, I Sananto Mazan. Hey, delete. We hope so. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors. Hey, Isan. Delete that. Type akeko.
Ngathi vele umuntu le. Mara ngathi usisi wakhe le.
But ngibani ongekho? Bayibona ongekho?
Hayi, akusi umuntu ngathi manje usisi wakhe la.
Oh, okay. Okay, delete that. Type enkosi.
Very next.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant. Oh, son. Hey, delete that. Type morning after pill. That's your last one.
Morning after pill.
Congratulations, my girl. Loyalty. It's your turn. Are you gonna give her back her phone? Or are you gonna keep it? Okay. Password, passcode, sir. Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. type? What does he type? What language does he type in?
He types in English most of the time.
Oh, okay. Okay. Type love you.
Okay. Okay.
What do you see?
Shows me and Tando.
Going to the chat.
Okay.
Like isibona izinto apha.
Ubani la?
Thando.
Uthando i-cousin yami leya.
Uyamthanda?
No, but do you say I love you cousin yakho? Inobundenza isibhamu. No, inobundenza isibhamu. Asoze. The sex was good last night. Uthini? What the heck is this? Indoni lena?
Explain.
Like indoni.
Explain.
Le mhlawumbe i-message nje ingenile nje.
I-message ingene nje.
Hayi makayithephanga yini
Umthetho
message.
akucinga ndisisibhanqa ne?
Yo, do you want to call Luthando?
No, please, I just want to call this.
So we can make sure.
Find out.
What's wrong if we want to call her?
Cousin.
Cousin yami.
Auntie
le,
cousin.
uyayazi.
Yes,
I
so-
love you, cousin.
So she'll confirm. Kaloku there's
Lala
nothing
ne
wrong.
cousin wena. The sex was good last night.
Incest.
Really? Sure.
Okay.
I have to get answers as well.
So we are jola when?
Babe angitsholi babe. Sisipha.
Wena?
Hi, can I please speak to Thando?
Hello.
Hey, Thando.
Hey.
Ndicela uyamazi ulike uthetha nosisipho apha intombi kaLucky.
Ayibo uLucky azange xa ufuna intombi nje ndimi intombi kaLucky.
Nguwe intombi kaLucky? What do you mean nguwe intombi kaLucky? Because ndimi intombi kaLucky.
Ayibo.
Are you cousin kaLucky? Uthi we cousin yakhe uLucky apparently.
Cousin.
Ewe.
Umuntu waLucky.
For how long, ask her?
For how long?
Umuntu waLucky ngubani?
Yima, for how long has this been going on? Ndicela nje ungiphendule apha. Because uLucky ngumuntu wami.
Ungubani wena? Uthetha nobani mna?
Ndingisisipho mna, like his girlfriend. Hello?
Ayibo.
Is this girl slow? How long have you been together?
Nibe together for how?
Damn it.
2 years.
Woo. Mamsi.
Angimazi umuntu lo bani.
Neba, yazi ntoni? Wena? Thina, we done. We done. Andizuphinde. You must never come back, ne? Ungaphinda, uxolisa ntoni? Didn't you say that's your cousin?
Cousin
That's your cousin. Okay, so wena ulalana ne-cousin yakho. That's what you're trying to tell me. Ulalana ne-cousin wakho. Yintoni endingakuniki yona? Ngicela like. What do I not give?
Ungayithatha ngaleyo ndlela ngicela babe.
No, ucela ntoni? Okay, yintoni endingakuniki yona mna?
So why are you cheating?
Ndiyakuphekela, I do everything for you. Ufuna ntoni? Like, what do you want? Thina uhamba uzolalana no. And you said it's your cousin. Uthe cousin yakho. I asked you nicely uba and I'm clean na. Ndibuya e-college. Ecology, apho ndikhoyo, I don't even date nobody. Kuza abantu, they try sharing me, bandishele and stuff like that. But I never agree. Andivumi because kaloku mna ndi-loyal mos kuLucky. Ndi-loyal. Ndixola nto, don't touch me Lucky. Don't touch me.
It's Demo. But you're the one that cheated, bruh.
Angishithele umuntu akunasixabanisa.
Sifonele bani kanti ngoku if you're not cheating? Sifonele bani ngoku if you're not cheating?
Usisi didn't do nothing apha Lucky.
Thank you.
Didn't do nothing. You're the one to be blamed, Lucky. And then ndibuze kahle uba you dating anybody besides me. Wathini wena? Hayi uThando is my cousin. Ngoku jonga cousin.
So 2 years. Side chick uThando.
2 years.
Big man side chick.
hayi because nyani
Side chick ulo Thando.
uyavuma ngoku yazi uyaniphela wena like
Polisa mfethu.
asuke uyanikha
Ngiyaxolisa mfethu.
and yeke
so you done you don't know.
no I don't want to mend anything kuphelile because how come izoba 2 years no, maybe ngeba sethe sinye story ngoku if maybe he was saying it's weeks okanye ntoni
2 months
we months yabo besizozama uyilungisa 2 years is a very long time bangenza nomntana
exactly if abakamenzi
Asikamenzi.
no
andamenzi
Asikamenzi.
suhleka man suhleka
Suhleka polisa azange ngenze next nalomuntu yona.
for 2 years asiqhala
yes sis yo
kahambe please leave us like
uhamba ungaphindi ubuye kuphela isonga jobe let me make it clear ne ungabuyi uze ekhaya because ndiyakwazi wena uzobuya uze pha ekhaya uzozama andifuni ne ucela ntoni
Ngiphi phone ke?
ucela ntoni thatha ifoni yakho
Ngiyacela mara ungayenza into besisithi.
yabona from today onwards
Singakhuluma ngalento le.
ngicela undiyeke ne
Singakhuluma
because
Ngiyacela.
yey wena uyandirakisa man stop it
please leave us with like thank you very much
I trusted you like for God's sake bendikuthemba
when's it nonsense when's it KA squared
no I don't want to mean nothing Shema so
I'm so sorry my skirt uzawuthini ke ngoku just focus on school yabo
I think I'll just do that
focus on school and focus on yourself
because yazi ulike ndishiye into ezininzi for ulike bendimthanda like a lot bendimthanda kakhulu
usamthanda my skirt kaloku you don't get over a man over like 5 minutes
we 20 sometimes but you know a girl gotta do what
a girl's gotta do
yes
focus on your education no one can take that away from you
I'll just have to be strong the best stronger and but ndisamthanda and I would like to mend things kodwa not anymore because ngiyacinga 2 years mostly it's a very long time thina sine 3 years together bona bane 2 years what's the difference like ininzi kuyafana noba
Thatha nesithembu.
ewe andisayazi noba who's the side chick ngoku maybe I'm the side chick yabo so ndizodecide uba ndihlale and then
what
yeah so
no ndiyakuva my skirt sorry va but at least you know the truth now yeah have a good day ne bye bye my skirt
if it's gonna be good
yeah Arships
Ulaki ubhatyazile.
as usual amadoda ayabhatyaza as usual
Singa
amadoda ayabhatyaza
singa generalize.
fellas I'm heartbroken that's why ndisitsha
Ayinguwotsho le.
ibikhona into ibisiza yathatha isharp curve ibikhona into ingathi yes yo indoda ayifuna ndibona ayifuna ndibona indoda ayifuna stress
What happened?
my type ndishela itype yabansavuyi big deal you all know him which is why I don't want to say his name or what he does so ndiqoma yes finally type yam siyancokola kumandi athi okay Liz can we meet did you I'm busy ingxaki uthe can we meet on the day that we were supposed to meet that boy uyayenza ukwazi kaloku kufuneka ndimake girl ndizilungise and I'm in bed ndiyonqena so I cancelled ne second and then he calls and then he calls me then he's like okay can we reschedule for tomorrow uyabo I can did no tomorrow is fine uyabo and then we proceed to chat for an hour yabo hey like oh finally ndoda itype yam bawo andisavuyi udzedi so second day ke mfana he calls what time kanene sokwenza what time and where would you like to go I cancel day number 2
Bungekho serious. No bungekho serious.
ndicancelisha ntoni kanene day 2
yakho.
type yam dlamini
Cancela kabili.
ndacancelisha so it's like ayibolisa but we're excited to see what's going on uyabo what okay when are you available ne ndithi ke mna ke ba oh no Tuesday that early next week ndiyaxoka that early next week which is obviously Monday Tuesday Wednesday right so afike ke ulento uzu early next week afone athi okay which day ndithi ke mna ke Wednesday I said okay would you like to go out for lunch or dinner Like, let's actually do lunch. Yeah, okay, umfana be excited. The excited number. Oh, yeah, finally, yes. Yes. Wednesday, I get a Netflix audition. I have to cancel because I got a Netflix audition.
Now you see the time ngo bajazini.
What ghost and stress and no.
We
never spoke again. And because he's a man that has a lot of options. He's got other Lisas. You understand?
Yes. And then he decided to pick this Lisa. I
had to go to the audition. I haven't had an acting job in a while. You understand? I couldn't drop my audition
this time we could have, sent the proof you could born and fair too.
Caspin is still a now.
Good for you, my brother. Never ever contact you again. Never. Like a serious. Never ever. Mege, but for Mege. Uthe ngiyakwazi so uyaphinde Mege. Yeah, akekho serious. Ulisa une-boyfriend yakhe uyayazi une-boyfriend yakhe Ulisa. Ulisa une-boyfriend yakhe.
Why are you sabotaging me?
Ukhulume nje iqiniso. Ulisa une-boyfriend yakhe. Lisa is a boyfriend.
Esukaphi Dlamini?
The one that has been waiting for her.
I'm going. You idiot. Yeah, anyway Dlamini, I just lost the love of my life.
Love of
Dinga phone this time. Ngilahlekelwe yindoda ndingafuni. So andikho right guys.
If it was not gonna happen, it was not meant to be. Melu be right son.
And so stress.
I'm still here.
Izophinda ifike nini ngoku indoda engithandayo.
Kangaki mfethu. But I'm still here.
Dlamini, you don't count.
Eh?
You don't count. Oh gosh.
Askisi sana.
It's fine.
Vilana nawe. Kobuhlungu.
Ngisena stress Dlamini. Andazoba manthini.
Uzawuthini?
And ngoku
actually, unless he decides to come back.
I don't think he's going to. Sefumana umnyulisa phakho.
Alright, noma ungathola 10 yabolisa abanye, it's okay. Azovala lo ngekho serious.
You're so mean to me.
Angeke umuntu athi uthanda.
Cancel. Yeah.
Umuntu omthandayo oyitshela udile. Wakhansela 3 times. That's not being serious.
Kangayiphendule even the cancellation message.
Kwenze kahle. My brother, that's good for you.
Indoda ezithandayo, indoda le-self love.
Yeah, isidima sakho brother.
The timing was just off. I really wanted to go on the date.
The timing was not off. The timing was not off. Because the following day, okay, the first day, what did you cancel the second day?
I don't remember Dlamini. I think I just was not feeling well.
Yeah, but
and only the second day. So you're saying the first and third day were valid?
Were valid. The second one.
Anyway, masivalid Dlamini umkile umfana.
Futhi uhamba ungabheke emuva. Don't look back, my brother. Shout out to you.
You're so rude.
Shout out to you, my brother.
Anyway, I'll be fine. Nothing a little Savannah can't fix. My name is a bottle of wine, darling. All right. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ Guys, I'm back on Instagram. Do follow.
Instagram, it's welcome _Dlamini88. On Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. TikTok, welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga Lisa.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.